For number 17, so find dy over dx. So sine x plus y is equals to x plus y. So let's solve this one. So first derivative, so for left side, so derivative of sine is cosine. So just copy the angle, and derivative inside is 1 plus, so derivative of y is y prime is equals to derivative of x is just equals to 1 plus y prime. So we have so we'll just distribute. So we have cosine x plus y, cosine x plus y plus y prime cosine x plus y is equals to 1 plus y prime. So we will now isolate y prime. So we have y prime cosine x plus y minus y prime is equals to 1 minus cosine x plus y. So we'll now factor y prime out. So y prime is just equals, so we have so negative y prime. So we have negative y prime is just equals to 1 minus cosine, so it is bracket, so cosine x plus y, so equals to 1 minus cosine x plus y. So we have, so we'll now find y prime. So y prime is equals to 1 minus cosine x plus y all over. So just erase. So all over. So we'll divide both sides by negative bracket 1 minus cosine x plus y. So y prime is just equals to, so now cancel is 1 minus cosine x plus y, and numerator. So the final answer will be a negative 1. So negative 1. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Y prime is equals to negative 1. So answer is y prime equals to negative 1. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.